ಶ್ರೀ ರಮೇಶ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಇವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಶತಮಾನಗಳ ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ಪುರಾತನ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ
Cycling guides. Ma'am.
Along with other course. ಉನ್ನತ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕ್ಷೀಕರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಕ ಗೆರೆಯತ್ತ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಾಖಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಆ ಬಾಂಡನ್ನು ತಲುಪದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈ
Come on guys, U-turn now. 10 kilometers U-turn. 10 kilometers U-turn. Come on guys, 10 kilometers U-turn. Just 5 more kilometers. Come on sir, 5 kilometers done. U-turn for 10 kilometers. Just 5 more kilometers. Come on, come on. Yes ma'am, you can do it. 5 more kilometers. 5 kilometers more. Yes, U-turn for 10 kilometers. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yes guys, you can do it. Come on. Come on, great. Come on, come on, come on. Yes guys, you can do it. Come on. Run, 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 run. Great, run, run. Hi. Come on, ma'am. it. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. We can do it. Done. Come on, we can do it. Come on, we can do it. Hi, ma'am. Hi. Come on, we can do it. Come on, doing great. Come on, we can do it. Come on. Yes, almost done. Almost there. Yes, we can do it. Almost done. Come on, we can do it. Yes, almost done. Come on, we can do it. Come on, we can do it. Come on. Yes, doing great. We can do it. Come on. Yes, guys. Yes, we can do it. Come on. Doing great. Come on. We can do it. Do it. Almost done. Come on. We can do it. I can do it. Chalo, come on. We can do it. Come on. Yes, ma'am. We can do it. Hi. Ma'am, great. Doing great. Come on.
So it was organized by the Udupi Runners Club. I would like to heartily congratulate and thank the Udupi Runners Club who has provided us to run. Running itself is a religion, I feel. And the beautiful and the scenic place which has been captained is the Malpesi Walk. It was a very tremendous experience for all of us. And the ups and downs it was provided in the roads